Imagine a tiny device so powerful that it could change the very way we capture action, adventures, and everyday memories. Now, what if I told you that the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3 might just push those boundaries even further? Today, we dive deep into the latest rumors, leaked features, expected upgrades, and everything else you need to know about the highly anticipated Insta360 Ace Pro 3. But before we jump in, if you love staying ahead in the world of cameras, action tech, and cutting-edge innovation, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Let's get started. Before we get into what's coming next, it's important to understand how Insta360 has risen to become a leader in the action camera world. Starting with 360-degree cameras that amaze creators worldwide, Insta360 quickly expanded into modular action cams and ultra-portable devices, blending innovation with practicality. The Ace Pro, their collaboration with Leica, stunned the market by offering premium imaging, AI enhancements, and incredible stabilization packed into a tiny body. Photographers, vloggers, athletes, and adventurers praised it for image quality that could rival GoPros, along with smart features that made shooting effortless. Now, the stage is set for the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 to take everything to the next level, and expectations are sky high. Every upgrade answers a market need, and the Ace Pro 3 is no different. Action camera users today demand better low-light performance, smoother stabilization, more professional video options, and smarter AI-driven features for effortless content creation. With the massive success of their previous models, and with GoPro Hero 13 Black and DJI's lineup pushing boundaries, Insta360 knows it must innovate to stay competitive. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to address low-light shooting issues, expand dynamic range, and offer even more intuitive shooting experiences. Imagine a travel vlogger shooting stunning sunsets with perfect clarity, or an extreme sports enthusiast capturing every thrilling moment without worrying about settings. That's the promise the Ace Pro 3 seems ready to deliver. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is a larger 1-inch sensor or an even better stacked sensor developed with Leica. This could mean dramatically better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and richer details in both photos and videos. Imagine mountain biking through a dark forest and capturing every detail without noise ruining the shot. The Ace Pro 3 is also expected to feature an upgraded AI tracking system, capable of identifying and locking onto subjects much faster. This would allow creators to surf giant waves or run through rugged trails while staying in perfect, tack-sharp focus, leaving no great moment behind. On the video side, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is rumored to offer 8K recording at 30 frames per second for breathtaking detail, and 4K at 120 frames per second for mind-blowing slow-motion shots. Enhanced HDR video modes are expected to produce ultra-vibrant colors even in challenging lighting conditions, while support for log profiles and possibly ProRes recording would make this camera even more attractive for serious creators needing maximum flexibility in post-production. Imagine filming an epic motorcycle ride and slowing it down at 120 frames per second while retaining every ounce of cinematic quality. For stabilization, the Ace Pro 3 is rumored to bring an upgraded version of FlowState Stabilization 3.0, ensuring even smoother footage even during intense motion. Combined with 360 horizon lock, it could allow full rotation stabilization, meaning your footage stays perfectly level even if the camera spins upside down. Picture skydivers, mountain bikers, or skateboarders pulling off stunts while the footage remains buttery, smooth, and stable. When it comes to design and build quality, rumors hint at a slightly larger, yet more ergonomic frame to better manage heat and improve overall handling. The Ace Pro 3 is also expected to feature dual touchscreen displays, one front-facing for easy vlogging and a larger rear screen for seamless menu navigation and framing. Its build would likely come with IPX8 waterproofing, making it adventure-ready right out of the box, whether you're snorkeling in Hawaii or hiking through torrential rain. Battery life is another major area of improvement. The Ace Pro 3 might include a larger, more efficient battery capable of extending shooting time up to 90 minutes at 4K 60 frames per second. Additionally, intelligent fast charging support could allow up to 80% charge in just 20 minutes, perfect for creators who are always on the move and can't afford to waste time. Connectivity and storage are also seeing upgrades. Faster Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 could allow near-instant media transfers, while native support for cloud uploads via Insta360's app would enable automatic backup of footage. Although dual memory card slots are unlikely, expanded internal memory options could be introduced, giving creators more flexibility without constantly needing to swap cards. Based on Insta360's pricing history and the Ace Pro's premium positioning, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to launch somewhere between $549 to $649. Considering the rumored technological upgrades, this pricing would still keep it competitively placed, offering a lower price tag than a fully kit GoPro Hero 13 Black with Max Lens Mod. As for the release date, most leaks suggest a fall 2025 launch, potentially around September or October, aligning with Insta360's past annual announcement cycles. Historically, Insta360 also teases their products a few weeks before the official launch, so we might even see a teaser campaign kicking off in late summer. If you're currently using the original Ace Pro and feel limited by its low-light capabilities or need higher-end video quality, then waiting for the Ace Pro 3 makes a lot of sense. However, if you urgently need an action camera today and mostly shoot in bright daylight conditions, the current Ace Pro remains a fantastic choice. For serious content creators aiming for the best possible footage, maximum stabilization, smarter AI features, and top-tier low-light performance, waiting for the Ace Pro 3 could be the smartest investment. The rumored features of the Ace Pro 3 tell a much larger story about the future of action cameras. It's no longer just about higher frame rates or rugged builds. It's about intelligent automation, superior low-light handling, and seamless connectivity. Insta360 isn't just trying to compete with GoPro anymore. They're pushing toward a future where your camera can intelligently adjust settings based on your environment, movement, and activity, all without requiring manual input. Imagine a world where your action camera acts almost like a filmmaker's assistant, adapting dynamically to whatever you're shooting. That's the future Insta360 seems determined to lead. That's everything we know so far about the rumored Insta360 Ace Pro 3. As leaks continue to surface, it's clear this could be one of the most exciting action cameras of the year. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates. What feature are you most excited about in the Ace Pro 3? Let's discuss in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.